Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series Junior KG semester 2nd book, page number 26. Already we have learned yesterday N for nose, N for nose, N for nurse, N for nurse, N for nut. This is Akhrout. This is called as akhrout. If you break this, no, nuts, all nuts, groundnuts also will be there. After opening only we'll get that things to eat. Okay. Then now we will learn today a new alphabet, that is O. That is O. O for olives. O for olives. O for omelette. O for omelette. O for olives means what? Olives. इससे तेल निकलता है, ऑलिव ऑयल कहते हैं ना, इससे एक तेल निकलता है. ये एक फ्रूट है, इसको खाते भी हैं लोग, उसका तेल भी बनाते हैं. टेस्ट इतना नहीं रहता है, ये कड़वा लगता है. ओ फॉर ऑमलेट. ओ फॉर ऑमलेट. कौन कौन खाता है क्लास में ऑमलेट? O for omelette. Yes. O for otter. O-T-T-E-R. O for otter. O for olives. O for olives. O for omelette. O for omelette. O for otter. O for otter. Trace the lines to complete the pattern. Trace the line to complete the patterns here. This is just we have to do round circle. This way you have to write. Okay, we have completed the pattern. Now write the letter O. O, just round you have to put. O for olives. 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 O for omelette. 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 O for otter. 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 ये एक एनिमल है. Otter is a animal. Animal. Otter is a animal. O for otter. O for olives. O for olives. O for omelette. O for omelette. In this way you have to say and complete the page. O for olives. O for olives. O for omelette. O for omelette. O for otter. O for otter. Okay, now as soon as you complete in this book, this is an otter. What you should say? This is an otter. This is an otter. As soon as you complete this book, you write in your 4-line book. You write in your 4-line book. See here. This is your 4-line book. Yesterday we have completed N, no? You have written, no, one full 2 pages? Very good. Today we will write small letter O. Small letter O. Okay. See. Where to be written and how will you say and write? Okay, in this is the 4-line book. No, this middle 2 line you take and write here O for olives, O for olives, O for omelette, O for omelette, O for otter, O for otter. This is only small o. Capital O and small o is the same. The capital O you have to write full 3 line you have to complete, and this is 2 line only. Same only it is, no? Capital and small o. Yes, small o. O for otter, O for otter, O for olives, O for olives, O for otter, O for otter, O for omelette, O for omelette. In this way you have to say and write. You have to say and write. Now we will see one more letter, that is P. That is P. That is P. P for peanut. P for peanut. Nut. See here, nut means ये अंदर जो रहता है ना, ये वाला अंदर रहता है नट के अंदर. दैट इज नट, जिसको हम फोड़ के उसकी बीज निकालते हैं, उसको नट बोलते हैं. दिस इज पीनट. पीनट मीन्स सेंगा. नट, मैंने नट बताया है. नट यानी वो सेंगा फोड़ने के बाद अंदर आता है. जो भी तुम्हारा पी रहता है, जिसमें से पीनट, सेंगा, सेंगदानी, जो भी नट रहता है उसको हम फोड़ते हैं, उसके अंदर से बीज निकलता है. दैट इज नट्स. अखरोट का भी देखो, तुम्हारा अखरोट भी फोड़ोगे तो उसके अंदर से बादाम, वो भी तुम अगर फोड़ोगे ना तो अंदर से बीज निकलता है. दैट इज नट्स. एंड दिस इज प्लम. दिस इज प्लम. दिस इज अ फ्रूट. फ्रूट, इट लुक्स लाइक एन एप्पल ओनली. इट्स नॉट सो स्वीट. ये ज़्यादा मीठा नहीं होता है. एंड दिस इज पपैया. दिस इज पपैया. दिस इज P for peanut, P for peanut, P for plum, P for plum, P for papaya, P for papaya, 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 P for papaya. So now what you have to do, trace the lines to complete the pattern. Trace the line to complete the pattern. See here, one straight line you have to go on putting. This way. And here which middle line you have to put half circle. To the middle 2 lines are there, which is dark blue. You have to give like this. This way. Write the letter P. Now you have to write the letter P. P for peanut. 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 P for plum. 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 P for papaya. P for papaya. पपई खाते हो ना सभी? Yes. P for papaya. 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 P for plum. P for peanut. P for peanut. In this way you have to write. This is a papaya. This is a papaya. What we have to do is you have to give the outline. You have to give the outline like this. You have to give the outline, and then you have to color the papaya. You have to give the color for papaya. And here otter also, what you do, you give outline like this. Outline, this is already given, no? Then give the color. Color the otter. Color the otter. After completing P for papaya, you write in your 4-line book. You write in your 4-line book. So this is small letter P. So how to write P is here? What you must say and write? While writing, P for peanut, P for peanut, P for peanut, P for plum, P for plum, P for papaya, P for papaya, P for papaya, P for papaya, P for peanut, P for peanut, P for plum, P for plum. In this way you have to write P for 2 pages. P for 2 pages you have to read and write. Now I have completed capital letters and small letters A to P. Capital and small letters A to. I have completed capital letters A to Z. Small capital and small letters A to P. I have completed A to P. Now let's. So now see here how to write in your 4-line book. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O. Now we have come, no? Capital O, small o, capital P. Now down you have to write capital P. In this way you have to write the capital and small letters. Capital and small letters, that is A to P. I have completed, no? A to P. A to P. Capital and small letters A to P. A to P. What we have completed, no? See here how to write, no? This way you have to write. Yesterday we have completed N, capital and small n. Today O, capital O, small o, capital P, small p. A to P. You have to read and write A to P. A to Z. The homework is for you. A to Z, 1 page you write. A to P, 2 pages. A to P, 2 pages. O, 2 pages, and P, 2 pages. O and P, today new alphabet I have taken, that you have to write for 2 pages. Okay children, so I have completed A for ant, A for ant, A for actor, A for actor, A for aeroplane. These are the small alphabets. Small alphabets. You are also reading, no, in this way daily. B for basket, B for basket, B for bus, B for bus, B for bird, B for bird, C for cake, C for cake, C for car, C for car, C for candy cane, C for candy cane, D for dog, D for desk, D for dinosaur. Then we have completed match the pictures also. Now small e for exercise, E for elbow, E for envelope, F for fish, F for foot, F for fan, F for fan. G for gift, G for girl, G for guava, H for hair, H for house, H for hat, H for hat. Circle the picture, circle the correct letter we have circled with the help of the pictures we have already completed. I for idlis, I for idlis, I for insects, I for insect, I for ink pot, I for insect, I for ink pot, I for ink pot. J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit, J for jeep, J for jelly. And have you colored, no, everything, all the pictures? K for kite, K for kite, K for kitten, K for kitten, K for kettle, K for kettle. L for lips, L for lips, L for ladder, L for ladder, L for lamb, L for lamb. Select the correct picture. We have already selected the color picture. We have already ticked the picture related to the alphabet. Related to the alphabet, we have already corrected. Now, we have revised A to O. A to O, P. O and P today we have completed, no? But here A to L also we have completed. A to L. M for moon, M for moon, M for mouse, M for mouse, M for mitten, M for mitten. N for nose, N for nose, N for nurse, N for nurse, N for nut, N for nut. O for olives, O for olives, O for omelette, O for omelette, O for otter, O for otter. P for peanut, P for peanut, P for plum, P for plum, P for papaya, P for papaya. Okay, you can say P for parrot also. You don't read only this book. Capital letters also you read. Capital letters also you read. Okay. Capital letters also you just go on reading. Now, homework I have given you A to Z, one page you write. A to Z. Read the pictures. And O I have given today new, no? O 2 pages, P 2 pages. O 2 pages, P 2 pages. Capital and small letters, capital and small letters, A to P, A to P. You have to write in this way, in this way. See here, what I have written and showed you, know, capital and small letters, A to P, you have to write like this. 2 pages you have to read it. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.